Aluminum is a lightweight, corrosion-resistant metal that is widely used in various industries due to its durability and versatility. When aluminum is mined from bauxite ore, it undergoes an extraction process known as the Bayer process, which separates the aluminum oxide from the rest of the materials. The aluminum oxide is then subjected to an electrolytic reduction process called the Hall-Héroult process, which produces pure aluminum metal. Once refined, aluminum can be rolled into thin sheets like aluminum foil, which is incredibly flexible and used for packaging, cooking, and insulation. The journey of aluminum foil highlights the metal's transformation from raw mineral to a highly functional and ubiquitous product in daily life. Aluminum is a really important material in many things we use every day because it's both lightweight and strong. You can find it in phone cases, laptops, and even in cars, where it helps keep these products lighter and more durable. It's also used in construction of airplanes to keep them efficient and reduce fuel costs. Many food and drink containers, like soda cans, are made from aluminum because it helps keep the contents fresh and is easy to recycle. Aluminum is often used in electronics like TVs and computer monitors because it's a good heat conductor, helps prevent devices from overheating. It's also used in packaging like foil wraps, which are great for preserving food. Plus, aluminum is corrosion resistant, so it lasts longer, even when exposed to weather. Because it's so versatile, aluminum is key in the manufacturing of all sorts of goods. Important uses of aluminum. Aluminum is used in many important ways around the world. It's commonly found in airplanes, cars, and bicycles because it's strong, lightweight, and resistant to rust. Aluminum is also used to make everyday items like cans, foil, and kitchen utensils, as well as in electronics such as phones, laptops, and televisions. Its versatility makes it essential in many industries.
Extraction and purification. Aluminum is extracted from bauxite, a mineral rich in aluminum oxide, through a process called the Bayer process. The first step involves crushing the bauxite and mixing it with a strong chemical called sodium hydroxide. This helps separate the aluminum oxide from other impurities in the bauxite, creating a solution of aluminum hydroxide. The next step is heating the aluminum hydroxide in a furnace with cryolite, a mineral that lowers the melting point, making it easier to separate aluminum metal from oxygen. Once the aluminum oxide turns into a liquid, an electric current is passed through it, which causes the aluminum metal to separate and sink to the bottom of the furnace. After extraction, the aluminum is purified by melting it down and removing any remaining impurities. The result is pure aluminum, which is then used in various industries like manufacturing, construction, and transportation. How we dispose and recycle. At the end of its use, aluminum can have some pretty cool outcomes because it's so recyclable. One of the best things about aluminum is that it doesn't lose any of its quality when it's recycled, so it can be reused over and over again. For example, aluminum cans are collected, cleaned, and melted down to make new cans or other aluminum products, which reduces the need for mining new materials. If it's not recycled, aluminum can take a long time to break down, but luckily for most people, do recycle it, which helps save energy and resources. It's also possible for aluminum to be reused in things like car parts or construction materials, extending its life even more. Sometimes when it's not recycled, aluminum might end up in landfills, but that doesn't happen as often because it's so valuable. When recycled properly, aluminum can be turned into things like bike frames, airplane parts, or even framing for solar panels, which helps support renewable energy. In the future, aluminum could play a huge role in creating more eco-friendly products, helping the planet by reducing waste and energy use. Some companies are even developing ways to recycle aluminum more efficiently, so even less energy is used in the process. So whether it's reused in something new or recycled properly, aluminum has a great chance of being part of a more sustainable future.